Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, appearance package, anti-lock braking system, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, engine block heater, hill descent control, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need.